Hi everyone. Today, we're going to quickly review the key concepts of erosion and deposition, two vital processes that shape our Earth's surface. Let's get started. Erosion is when natural forces like water, wind, or ice wear away the land. Think of rivers carving valleys or glaciers scraping the terrain. Hello amazing students. This is your answer sheet, the place where you will transfer your answers from the questions. Take your time to carefully write your answers in the spaces provided. Once you're done, hand it in to your teacher, or submit it as instructed. We will be happy to check your work. Tips before you start. Read each question carefully. Think about what you've learned. Write your answer clearly in the space next to each question. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. We can't wait to see how much you've learned about erosion and deposition. Good luck. 1. What is erosion? A. The process of building up landforms. B. The wearing away of Earth's surface by natural forces. C. The process of planting seeds. D. The formation of rocks. Your answer. 2. Which of the following is a common agent of erosion? A. Wind. B. Water. C. Ice. D. All of the above. Your answer. 3. What is deposition? A. The removal of sediments from one place to another. B. The process of sediments settling and accumulating in a new location. C. The erosion of rocks by wind. D. The formation of mountains. Your answer. 4. Which natural force is primarily responsible for the formation of valleys? A. Deposition. B. Erosion by water. C. Volcanic activity. D. Earthquakes. Your answer. 5. What landform is typically created by deposition of sediments at the mouth of a river? A. Mountain. B. Delta. C. Plateau. D. Volcano. Your answer. 6. Which of the following can cause erosion? A. Heavy rainfall. B. Strong winds. C. Flowing rivers. D. All of the above. Your answer. 7. What role does ice play in erosion? A. It causes erosion through melting and freezing cycles, glacial erosion. B. It causes deposition only. C. It has no effect on erosion. D. It builds up landforms by melting. Your answer. 8. Which process is responsible for the formation of a canyon? A. Deposition of sediments. B. Erosion by a river cutting through rock over time. C. Volcanic activity. D. Glacial deposition. Your answer. 9. What is a common feature formed by deposition in a river? A. Waterfall. B. Alluvial fan. C. Gorge. D. Mountain. Your answer. 10. How does wind cause erosion? A. By carrying away loose particles of soil and sand. B. By freezing water in cracks of rocks. C. By creating volcanic ash deposits. D. By forming glacier. Your answer. 11. Which of the following is an example of deposition caused by wind? A. Sand dunes. B. River delta. C. Glacial moraine. D. Lava flow. Your answer. 12. What is a common result of erosion along coastlines? A. Formation of cliffs and sea caves. B. Creation of lakes. C. Mountain formation. D. Deposition of sediments in the ocean. Your answer. 13. Which process can lead to the formation of a floodplain? A. Deposition of sediments by floodwaters. B. Erosion of riverbanks. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Your answer. 14. Which agent of erosion is most responsible for shaping deserts? A. Wind. B. Water. C. Glacier. D. Humans. Your answer. 15. What landform is formed when glacier erode the land and then deposit debris? A. U-shaped valley. B. River delta. C. Sand dune. D. Volcano. Your answer. 16. Which of the following best describes the process of gradual wearing down of mountains? A. Erosion. B. Deposition. C. Volcanic activity. D. Tectonic movement. Your answer. 17. What is the main difference between erosion and deposition? A. Erosion moves sediments. Deposition builds landforms by settling sediments. B. They are the same process. C. Erosion only occurs in deserts, deposition only in oceans. D. Erosion involves ice, deposition involves wind. Your answer. 18. Which natural feature is often formed by the deposition of sediments in a river? A. Mountain range. B. Deltas and floodplains. C. Ocean trench. D. Volcano. Your answer. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends, cousins, brothers, and sisters. Let's learn and grow together. Passing exams with high scores is within our reach. Now let's move on to question 19. How do heavy rains influence erosion? A. Increase erosion by washing away soil and rock. B. Decrease erosion by stabilizing the soil. C. Have no effect on erosion. D. Cause deposition only. Your answer. 20. What is the effect of deforestation on erosion? A. It decreases erosion because trees hold soil in place. B. It increases erosion because roots no longer protect the soil. C. It has no effect. D. It causes deposition. Your answer. 21. Which process is primarily responsible for the formation of a beach? A. Deposition of sand and sediments by waves and currents. B. Erosion of rocks by wind. C. Glacial carving of landforms. D. Volcanic activity. Your answer. 22. What is a moraine? A. A landform created by glacier deposition of debris. B. A type of deep ocean trench. C. A volcanic ash deposit. D. A mountain formed by erosion. Your answer. 23. Which of these is not a typical agent of erosion? A. Wind. B. Water. C. Sunlight. D. Ice. Your answer. 24. What type of erosion is responsible for the formation of a sea cave? A. Wind erosion. B. Water erosion. C. Glacial erosion. D. Both B and C. Your answer. 25. Which landform is created when a river deposits sediments at its mouth? A. Mountain. B. Delta. C. Hill. D. Plateau. Your answer. 26. What impact does wind erosion have on deserts? A. It creates sand dunes and shapes the landscape. B. It causes rivers to flood. C. It deposits sediments into lakes. D. It forms glacier. Your answer. 27. Which of the following is an example of erosion caused by water? A. The Grand Canyon. B. Sand dunes. C. Mountain ranges. D. Volcanoes. Your answer. 28. What landform is usually formed at the mouth of a river where deposition occurs? A. Delta. B. Mountain. C. Volcano. D. Geyser. Your answer. 28. What landform is usually formed at the mouth of a river where deposition occurs? A. Delta. B. Mountain. C. Volcano. D. Geyser. Your answer. 29. Which process results in the formation of a sand dune? A. Wind deposition of sand particles. B. Water erosion of rocks. C. Glacial melting. D. Volcanic eruption. Your answer. 30. How do glaciers cause erosion? A. By scraping and carving the land as they move. B. By depositing sediments. C. By melting and causing floods. D. By creating volcanic eruptions. Your answer. 31. Which of the following is a landform created by erosion of soft rocks? A. Cliffs. B. Caves. C. Both A and B. D. Deltas. Your answer. 32. What is the main consequence of excessive erosion? A. Loss of fertile soil and land degradation. B. Formation of new mountains. C. Increase in vegetation. D. Decrease in sediment transportation. Your answer. This is the end of today's revision. It's a 5-part series. Check out the previous lesson about the chemical structure of the Earth and weathering. See you in the next lesson for part 3. Tell someone about what we are doing here. Submit your work for checking. I'm waiting for your email or in the comment section. Goodbye and good luck in your studies.